Welcome back to our channel, where learning meets excitement. The next important topic is the Objectives Resolution. On December 13, 1946, Jawaharlal Nehru moved the historic Objectives Resolution in the Assembly. It laid down the fundamentals and philosophy of the constitutional structure. Important objectives were: 1. Constituent Assembly shall declare its firm and solemn resolve to proclaim India as an independent sovereign and republic, and to draw up for her future governance a constitution. 2. India shall be a union of territories that now comprise British India, and the states as well as other territories, as are willing to be constituted into the independent sovereign. 3. The said territories shall possess and retain the status of autonomous units, together with residuary powers, and exercise all powers and functions of government and administration except such powers and functions as are vested in or assigned to the Union. 4. All the power and authority of the sovereign independent India, its constituent parts and organs of government is derived from the people. 5. Justice, social, economic and political, equality of status, of opportunity, and before the law, freedom of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship shall be guaranteed and secured to all the people of India, subject to law and public morality. 6. Adequate safeguards shall be provided for minorities, backward and tribal areas, depressed and other backward classes. 7. The integrity of the territory of the Republic and its sovereign rights on land, sea and air, shall be maintained according to justice and the law of civilized nations. 8. This ancient land attains its rightful and honored place in the world, and makes its full and willing contribution to the promotion of world peace and the welfare of mankind. This resolution was unanimously adopted by the Assembly on January 22, 1947. It influenced the eventual shaping of the Constitution through all its subsequent stages. Its modified version forms the preamble of the present Constitution. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.